How much sauce do you put? Don't do that. Don't do that.
3, 2, 1. Swallow.
You're so late.
We had a meeting.
Who had a meeting?
What?
Who had a meeting?
The business society.
Yeah, we should have done? Be like, boys, you're garbage. I gotta go meet the real boys. And then you should have just left them. Alright, if you're not here in 3, you're gonna scream at me.
Devin there?
Yeah, everyone's here. We've been waiting for 20 minutes. What are you donating? Like one of each kind of shoe? Devin's donating the chicken finger plate. Yeah. Freshly used.
Sorry.
It's official, boys. Andy's cut.
Well, that doesn't lock.
No, I don't think so.
Buddy.
It's good donate. Boys are late. I've been waiting in my car for like 20 minutes.
What was the last
I like the sweater you're wearing.
Thanks, bro. You want it?
You didn't watch it?
Well, you should donate it. Like
Oh, I'm donating.
Take the clothes off.
we're donating donating the clothes off our back, buddy. Come on,
Yeah.
you do
We're going
that.
streaking
I'm
after
just
we
gonna
donate.
wear the clothes that we
Streaking after we donate.
We'll have to.
Alright.
We'll have to. At least work hard.
What's going on, boys? This is the Island Boys.
That was a good one.
Thanks a lot, man.
That was a solid.
No more retouch.
All right, so we are headed down to a local bar downtown called Fishbones. We are donating some clothes to the Bahamas because of the recent catastrophe that happened there. It's a shame.
All right, boys. So we're just looking to encourage all you viewers. I know we got like at least 3 of you. 3 of you are watching. So if all 3 of you go out and donate some clothes, that's 4 families that might have clothes to wear.
Exactly.
Yeah. So thanks to our 3 viewers watching. We love that stuff. Just comment what you think. Support the Bahamas. They need help.
I know, like, our videos sometimes get like 300-400 views. Likes, yeah, right. So I just want to thank the 3 viewers for watching each video 100 times because it does so much help for getting our minutes up. So one day we can be monetized, and then with you guys will be watching a whole lot of ads here soon. Okay. All right, boys. Also, leave a comment if you think the boys should buy a pair of Crocs each and wear them for every video. Rain, shine, snowstorms,
I think it's a great
hurricanes.
idea.
Let's see.
I'm not in on that one.
Hanny will have to, or he's gonna get cut. If
this
he
video
voices.
gets.
This way.
Yeah,
Is
this
it?
one's over here.
Oh, I thought it was over
The
there.
boys have never been to
You
town.
guys don't know
I was
town
like,
very
hold
well,
on,
do you?
here. We're not from town.
Weren't there aliens here not too long ago?
That's soon, boys. September 20th. That's coming up.
Are we still going?
We already went.
All right, so we're gonna head into Fishbones right now, and we'll give you an update soon.
That's where we're going.
Oh, it's Stevie Wonder. Where are they?
We're in Fishbones now, and we are donating.
We're just gonna drop the barrel off in the back.
You're just gonna throw it. Is that it? That was quick.
I think so.
Tell me a little about yourself. Why'd you decide to come into like PI or
School.
school?
Yeah, pero 2017.
So how did your family fare with the horrible accident?
They're still working on getting over it. It's kind of tough on the whole Bahamas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess was your personal property like damaged?
Yeah, a
Everything
few
was?
personal properties were damaged. Yeah, but no one lost their life.
That's good.
Still quite a few people missing back.
Number of people missing now?
Last time I heard it was like 1,000.
1,000 still. Yeah, that's like 40 plus killed or something.
Yeah, 40 plus still.
What part of Bahamas are you from?
From Nassau. Yeah.
Thank you for doing this.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think so.
They got this drink, Bahama Mamba. It's like a Bahama themed. It's a straw drink.
It's not a straw.
Anyway, that's not a straw. Yeah, so all the money to the drinks are going to the Bahamas, and we're getting oysters too, and all that money is going to the Bahamas as well. So that's close to $50 right there.
Puree in the middle, and then rum sauce on top.
Freshly squeezed.
This is a freshly squeezed pickled beef, straight from the jar from your grandmother's house. This looks like horseradish to me. This looks like, let me smell it first.
It's just genuine vape juice.
Ew. Oh, yeah, that's vape juice for sure.
All right, let's go. Jeremy's up first.
How much do I put?
Get him a bucket.
All right, here we go.
Why are you chewing it? Swallow it.
What's the closest going on?
He's like swishing around his mouth.
That was disgusting.
How much sauce do you put? Don't do that. Don't do that.
You like beats, buddy?
That's a lot of sauce.
Your urine's gonna be red, buddy. 3, 2, 1. Swallow, swallow, swallow.
Complete yak.
All it tastes is
What are you
beets.
putting on it?
No sauce.
Oh, it's just. I think it's better if I don't look at it.
Switch it around your mouth a bit too.
Swallow, swallow, swallow. I chewed mine.
What are you supposed to do? Chew it or swallow it?
Just swallow it. No one wants that in their mouth longer than it has to be.
How much do you pay for these?
$45.
I'm not putting the horseradish. That's disgusting.
Buddy, trust me.
No, trust me, I'm not.
Someone's got to take horseradish here, Devin.
Absolutely. I feel like throwing
disgusting.
up.
To the Bahamas.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Now we just ice the boys.
So much expression.
How's the horseradish? Good.
That one was really bad.
Ew.
So who went 2? You and Jeremy?
What?
You guys had 2?
Lucky. I sure as hell wasn't eating too.
I actually have never had horseradish before, and it's terrible.
So that was a successful donation.
So
A couple donors here.
Ate some delicious, delicious oysters.
yeah.
Gotta tell you, those things are good.
PEI brand oysters.
Yeah, good, solid.
I'm never eating an oyster again.
Hey boys, like and comment. Thanks to all the 3 viewers. We appreciate all 3 of you. It's unbelievable. Just comment, like, drop a comment.
And like it and
If
subscribe.
there's not 3 comments, we're quitting the island,
Yeah,
boys.
guys. There's
We're
a
done. 3
No,
comments or we're done.
there's a red
from our-
button. There's a red button. You should click on it and see what happens.
Yeah,
It's not the
subscribe.
X button in the left.
Every video, better and better.
If it's
We're always
white,
doing
you're
good
fine.
things for the community. Look what we've done today. Thanks, Jared.
If you dislike this video, we'll find you.
This is how you climb a tree, buddy.
Buddy, listen, that tree this is minuscule compared to the tree we had.
But he didn't even need a boost, I'll tell you.
Well, that's an easy tree.
Back to
Climb it
Fundy.
then, Hanny.
Throw back to funny where B couldn't climb a tree. Good guy right here.
If you haven't watched
Can't
that
climb a
video,
tree.
don't bother.
That's great. It's our best one yet. All right, we are out, boys. Let's see it, Jeremy.